What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. In this video, I will review Apple iPhone 12 Pro with Apple iPhone 12. But before starting, let me know down in the comment section on which phone are you watching my video right now. My review of the iPhone 12 is already up, but I also been spending some quality time with the more premium iPhone 12 Pro. The iPhone 12 Pro certainly makes a better first impression than the iPhone 12. For starters, the frame is not aluminum but stainless steel. It feels better too and it's shinier. The rear glass is nicer to touch. Finally, the iPhone 12 Pro gains 25 grams on the regular iPhone 12, making it feel denser and more solid. The next big difference between the 12 Pro and regular iPhone 12 is the 12 megapixel telephoto camera on the iPhone 12 Pro. I'm a big fan of telephoto cameras, but I would have to say that having the same old 2x camera from the iPhone 11 Pro is not nearly enough to justify the $200 premium on the Pro version. Moving to the screens, we have a minute difference. The iPhone 12 and 12 Pro both features 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED panels with HDR10 support, but the iPhone 12 tops at 600 nits while the iPhone 12 Pro brings it a bit further to 800 nits. We can't say it's a noticeable difference when the two are side by side, though both also have the same peak brightness of 1200 nits for HDR content though. Finally, there are storage options and RAM. The iPhone 12 Pro has a base storage of 128GB with the upgrade tier of 256GB and 512GB, while the iPhone 12 starts at 64GB and brings it all the way up to 256GB. The iPhone 12 gets 4GB of RAM, while Pro has 6GB of RAM. A quick word for iPhone 11 Pro user looking to get an iPhone 12 Pro. The iPhone 12 Pro looks bigger but does not feel like that, mainly due to its virtually unchanged weight. The flat edges make the iPhone 12 Pro a different feeling phone in the hand, and we welcome the change. Apple was able to make a phone like no other in the market, one with flat sides and fully flat display, and it almost feels revolutionary after so many years of lightly to outrageously curved devices. Yet, upgrading from the iPhone 11 Pro to the 12 Pro is hard to justify. Yes, the new phone is faster and yes, it has a bigger screen, but neither is a big difference. As we see it, the only reasonable upgrade path for 11 Pro owner is the 12 Pro Max if you can live with the much larger phone. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.